channel, yes, we will show the description, this is knowledge. We are here with our guest, personal business, Solar Bio. We'll be talking about coconut oil production. So let's go into it. Yes, ma'am. Can you tell me introduce yourself to our guest and our audience?
Good morning. My name is Susan Bayo Solar, a GSC trainer on coconut oil and candy production.
Yes, ma'am. Can you briefly introduce the production to our audience, production of coconut oil and its various applications to the body?
We have the cold press and we have the heat press. But majorly, I put them through heat press. And it's actually very good for body skin, for hair, for treatment of um any ailments of the skin, like eczema, and for the hair, we have dandruff. It's actually good. And I can actually recommend it for nursing mothers. And basically, for your natural care of your skin, coconut oil is the remedy to have a perfect natural skin.
Yes, ma'am. Why do you think production of coconut oil is valuable or important for the United States?
It's not just that I think. For graduates, even undergraduates, is a source of means for financial aspects. Not just the financial aspects alone, even for your personal use. I can actually recommend it. And for people that are just beginner, I can actually recommend it.
Yes, ma'am. What are the basic requirements needed for the coconut oil production? Basic tools.
Okay, so the basic thing, the raw coconut itself. Without the coconut, there's no coconut oil because so the coconut is a major factor for producing coconut oil. The coconut, then you get a grater, a blender, non-sticky pot, a spoon, and it has to undergo fermentation for at least a day before you can get the main oil from the coconut.
Yes, ma'am. How long does it take a beginner in the production of coconut oil?
Roughly 3 months.
And yes, ma'am. What is the like capital
I'd say beginner with 10,000 they are good to go to start the production.
how profitable is small scale productions of coconut in beginners?
For a beginner, it might actually look difficult because you might be like, how will I market my product? But the main thing is when your product is actually the quality, is actually a quality product, definitely you see markets for it. And also, it depends on your target. Is it students? Is it nursing mother? Is it a male? Is it a female that wants to target your product with? And for a beginner, when you start, you could double your price. You could double your profits from the start, from the first production.
Yes, ma'am. What are the platforms that you like a basic platform that you can use to showcase the selling of the coconut oil productions?
Like you know now, there's the major platform is online, on WhatsApp, on your Facebook, on your Instagram page, on your social media handle generally. And also you can actually meet physical contact also, but majorly social media platform.
Yes, ma'am. What are the challenges a beginner must face when producing a coconut oil?
Yeah, the basic challenge is the cost of production. That's just the biggest challenge, and how to get the coconut at a lesser price. So it's just the cost of production that can be the major challenge.
Yes, ma'am. What are the additional skills in coconut oil production? Like the additional skills that you can add
That okay,
processes to
that is
complement
okay.
yes, coconut oil
Like I
production.
said earlier, is that the main amount of coconut oil is for the skin production and hair production. So people that are into skincare products is actually a substitute for it, hair products.
Are there opportunities for students to register their business in coconut oil production?
major thing. That's the first thing. Anyone that is adventurous in business should do registration of their business.
How can a student continue to improve the quality of goods and productions?
Okay, like last month I saw a video online, and it actually requires I saw all these Indian people which there's this machine that can break the coconut, extract the oil directly. The only thing you just do is just to place your packaging bottles directly at the edge of the machine. So for that kind of thing, for someone to get that, that means you must be consistent with it. When you're not consistent, you just be like, let me just do it for a pattern, and you have to be consistent with it. When you're consistent with it, you learn more online, you learn physically also to get upgraded.
Yes, ma'am. Are there opportunities for students to supply plants internationally?
Yes, there is. Like I mentioned earlier, I said it's actually good for skin, it's actually good for hair. So a student can collaborate with people in a larger industry that produce body creams, that produce hair creams. So there's actually a great advantage in this skill, not just a local accessibility alone. You can go internationally to with it.
Is coconut oil a future skill in Nigeria?
Yes, it's a future. So far, human being exists, not just in Nigeria. So far, human being exists because there's no how human being, ladies, young, old, female, will not use body cream and they will not use hair cream. As so far we exist. So it can't go into extinction. That's just it.
Yes, ma'am. What is the final advice you can give to students on the learning and monetizing of coconut oil?
Thank you. So the major advice I would give to students is to be consistent and they should have passion for whatever skills they are choosing. Because passion is what drives you in life, in anything you are doing, even in your studies, in your business, in your work of place, any area that you find yourself. Be consistent and be passionate about anything you do. And with that, the sky is just starting.